tutorial 11. This is part 11, and we just basically tested our add user method and made sure it's working. So all we've got to do every time we want to add a user is just this line of code, and that's quite handy now, because then we could populate the parameters that are being passed in this line of code through a form, and then be very easy to add user accounts to our database. So the last method that we've got to define is the user function if we wanted to delete the user. So let's have a look at this. So first of all, we need to make sure that the user exists. So let's comment these out to start with. So let's say, for example, we go in through our object connect DB and we want to call the method delete user. I think that's the last one that we've got to do, really. Yeah, we've got connect database, we've got create table, we've got delete table, we've got add user. Yeah, so the last one is delete user. So let's say we call this method delete user and it takes a parameter deleted user. So let's put that parameter in as Ben. We'll see if we can delete Ben from the table. Actually, we'll do it as John. See if we can delete John from the table. So we'll say in here that this John is equal to deleted user. So it's equal to deleted user, and then we can test if that user exists in the database. We can say that I think we're up to SQL query 7 now. Yeah, we can say MySQL 7 equals, and it equals select everything from this table, where select everything from this table where select everything from this table where select everything from this table where username is equal to deleted user. Or sorry, this, what the hell am I thinking about there? That should have been this deleted user, and that should have been, sorry, my mistake, being silly there, this deleted user. Okay, so that's our query. Okay, so then let's say that MySQL query 7 equals MySQL connect, and let's pass through this this MySQL 7, and that should execute, that should take this query in and then it should execute it here through the MySQL connect method. And then we can turn that into an array. We can say that my SQL, did we do in the last method for that? Hang on. Yeah, we could say that we could just call it result actually. We could say that this, and that's wrong as well. This MySQL 7 this is wrong. This MySQL 7 query, this MySQL 7 result is equal to MySQL fetch array, that's the guy, and then we put through this MySQL query 7. So this line here takes this line, and line 129 takes line 128 and puts it through the MySQL connect function, and line 130 takes, it should be MySQL query, I don't know what I'm thinking of there, God. Right, so this line 128 is put through the MySQL query function on line 129, and then on line 130, line 129, the result of that query is put into an array, and in that array we're looking for the index username. So we can say that if empty this result, and it's an array, so we can do this and say username. If that username doesn't exist, then the username that you're trying to delete doesn't exist, so then echo the username this deleted user so now we're going to delete it. So now we need to create another MySQL query. So this time it's going to be MySQL this MySQL 8 is equal to delete from this table